Hi everyone, some of you took part of the free fascia series that I was hosting, fascia flow classes, and a lot of you ask, hey, when will I see results? And this is confusing, or when will I get comfortable with it? So I wanted you to think about the first time you drove a car, how complex that felt, and now how easy it is. Anything we do new takes time. The brain has to process things. We have to adapt and get comfortable. Most people drop out after the first couple of weeks. I don't want you to drop out. I want you to be in this. So commit to yourself and get started, and know that the first month you do anything new is the game changer. Anytime you make a shift in your life, if you give up alcohol, if you change your diet, get rid of sugar, start exercising, it's that first month that really ingrains a habit in your life. So commit to yourself. Don't say, I'll do it tomorrow. Squeeze in, even if it's 15 minutes a day. A little flow is better than no flow, okay? Just trust the process, because it gets better and better with time. Not only do you begin to experience physical changes, physiological changes, you start to notice energetic changes, mental, emotional, even spiritual shifts, all right? So be very excited about what awaits, and reach out if you need anything. I'm here. I'm excited for you. Okay, we'll see you soon.